Hi everyone, Mr. Graben here, and I'm going to now show you how to annotate a text using the snipping tool. To do this, I'm going to go over an example with you of how I would annotate a text. As some of you know, yesterday was a Jewish holiday called Yom Kippur, which is a fast that people do right before the start of the new year. And to kind of honor this, I wanted to go over an article with you that talks about fasting in several different religions. So if we were going to annotate this article, the first thing I would do is go up to the awesome screenshot tool, click on that, click capture, selected area, and now I'm going to click and drag this text box, click capture, and now I have the text here to annotate. All right, so remember there's the four symbols. Fasting is giving up food or something else for a period of time. So I already know what fasting means. I'm going to put a little checkbox. Some people give up social media. Many people fast for religious reasons. The idea behind fasting is to focus on spirituality. It is supposed to help remove distractions. So for this, I'm going to put an exclamation mark, which means that I'm connecting this information to something I already know. And I'm thinking about how last night I was fasting for Yom Kippur and the reasons that I was fasting. And so I'm going to put an exclamation mark here like, oh, I know this. This is something that applies to me in my own life. So we have a check mark for something I knew, exclamation mark for a connection that I made. Some Christians follow Lent. It begins on Ash Wednesday. So I'm going to put a question mark because I'm not really sure what Ash Wednesday is. It says Ash Wednesday is on February 26, 2020. That is new information for me, so I'm putting a plus on. Lent is a period of preparation for Easter. It is a 40-day fast. I didn't know that either, so I'm putting a plus. Others follow the Daniel fast. It is not tied to a holiday. So this, again, I have no idea what the Daniel fast is, so I'm going to put a question mark. Ramadan is an Islamic holiday. It is a fast that lasts a month. I knew that. People who follow Islam are Muslim. During Ramadan, Muslims are not allowed to eat or drink between sunrise and sunset. So again, I'm going to put an exclamation mark here. And remember that I told you that I really like traveling. I've actually traveled through several Muslim countries during the month of Ramadan. And so when I read this, I think back to some of the travel experiences I've had, and I've seen people celebrate Ramadan. Okay, so Yom Kippur is the holiest day of the year in the Jewish faith. On Yom Kippur, Jews do not eat or drink anything for 25 hours. I know that very, very well because I did that yesterday. Here is a look at fasts in different religions. Okay, that is how you annotate the article. I'm using these four symbols, the check, the plus, question mark, and exclamation point. And again, the purpose of this is to kind of like have a conversation with the story as you're reading it. And it's also going to help you to talk about this story, which we're going to do in the next class. And it's going to help you to figure out if there's any places that you get stuck as you read it. Okay, give it a shot and have fun.